Welcome back to Nifty Garage. My name is Sheldon. We have a 370Z on the lift today, and I'm going to teach you how to remove your driver and passenger taillights out of your car. All right, so first things first, we're going to open our trunk. We're going to remove all of the carpeting and plastic out of this, which we do have a video, so I'm just going to do this really quick. All right, now that we have everything out of the trunk, the side foam pieces, the center or the spare tire, the side pieces that cover the strut towers, and the rear cover, we have all the space in the world. There's only one 8mm nut on the inside of all that, so you got to do all that just to get to the one nut. But the top ones, there's a piece of plastic right here, and it's going to separate off of the taillight, like so. And then you're going to see two 10s. We're going to see two 10s there, and we need to grab that 8mm. This is that 8mm nut that I was telling you about. That goes there. We have two locating tabs that go on these. So what I'll do sometimes is I'll actually tap. I'll tap on that bolt. You can see that it freed up the actual taillight. The reason I do that is because you have two tabs on the actual taillight facing forward that go into these two like retainer slot clips. You don't want to break those, because if you pull the wrong way, you're going to break the inside of the taillight, and it is going to leak water into your taillight, and then you're going to have to change your blinker fluid, and we don't have a video on how to do that, so just listen. Plug the clip. One side is out, and now let's do the passenger. We're going to remove the plastic cover up here. This just pushes into the taillight. Set that to the side. Grab your 10mm socket. Get that out, then get your 8mm. Go right there. And then I'm going to use my impact as a hammer. Pop that out. As you can see, neither of the clips broke again. And just push down on the release for the plug. And there you go. That is how you remove your taillights out of your 370Z.